Hi guys, how to inherit multiple classes in HTML and CSS? It's really simple. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. As you can see, we have 3 paragraphs here with the class name class A, B and C. The first paragraph have a yellow background, the second one have the red color and the third one is bold. There are 2 ways to inherit classes. The first one, we can include the name of other classes like class A, class B. Save, reload. See, now the third paragraph have the properties from both A and B. Second way, inside the style, after the class you want to inherit, comma, space, dot, your class name. Suppose class C. Save, reload. See, now the third paragraph have the property from class A. So guys, that's how easily we can inherit properties from other classes in HTML. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.